The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is the best Android phone yet with dual zoom lenses, a stellar display, and excellent battery life. The Galaxy S21 has a dynamic 6.8-inch AMOLED display, dual telephoto lenses, and no the S Pen supports great battery life. It is expensive, no charge or micro SD card slot, a bit bulky. With the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is designed to deliver everything you could possibly want in a big screen Android phone. And based on my testing, it's pretty much it does. The display 6.8 inches AMOLED 10 to 120 Hz, Snapdragon 88, 12 GB of RAM or 16 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage, 256 GB, 512 GB. Coming to the rear camera 108 MP wide and 10 MP telephoto. Ultra wide is for the rear camera. Front camera is 40 MP and video quality is 8K 30 FPS or 4K 60 FPS. Battery 5000 mAh. Battery life is 11 hours 25 minutes. Wireless 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, UWB 6.5 into 2.97 into 0.35 inches. Coming to the weight, 8.08 ounces. The Galaxy S21 Ultra comes in a sleeker design and offers faster performance from the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 chip. And unlike the regular Galaxy S21, you don't have to make nearly as many trade-offs. Get a better main 108 MP camera, glass back instead of the plastic, more RAM, and a higher resolution display. As you all see in my Galaxy S21 Ultra review, there are some trade-offs including the lack of a charger on the backs, but overall this is one of the best phones money can buy for those willing to buy premium and best Android phone overall. Coming to the as Samsung S21 Ultra review sheet, the larger fingerprint sensor is welcome, making the S21 Ultra easier to unlock. The 11.5 hours of battery life is excellent for a 5G phone. The S Pen support is nice to have. The dual telephoto lenses and the dynamic display on the Galaxy S21 Ultra delivers a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is available right now and you can buy carrier and unlock the versions of the phone. The Ultra starts at the $1199 and includes 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. You also upgrade to 256 GB of storage and to a model with the 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The 256 GB models cost $1249, basically an extra $50, while you will pay $1379 for Galaxy S21 Ultra with 512 GB of storage. Over in the UK, the Galaxy S21 starts at the Euro 1149 for the 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage base model. That price rises to Euro 1199 for the 256 GB answer and tops out the Euro 1329 for the model with the 16 GB and 512 GB of internal storage. Coming to the recent colors of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is a monolith of its phone, and it is the contour cut camera design plus the camera bump into the glass back, and it's still a massive device. You want to use it with two hands with 0.3-inch profile and weight of the 8.08 ounces. This S21 Ultra is thinner and heavier than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The display is generally curved, unlike the fully flat regular Galaxy S21, but not annoyingly so. I never accidentally tapped something on screen as I did with the Watch S Ultra. The Galaxy S21 Ultra comes in just two colors from the carriers, Phantom Black and Phantom Silver. I might go with the black because of the slimming effects. The Samsung.com is offering exclusive A21 Ultra colors too, including Phantom Navy, Phantom Titanium, and Phantom Brown. One of the favorite design upgrades is to the 1.7x larger fingerprint sensor. It makes it easier to unlock the phone, and I found that the S21 Ultra didn't ask me to press the sensor again like the previous phones. The 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED display on the Galaxy S21 Ultra is simply one of the best screens on the phone. It's bright, vibrant, and doesn't make you choose the highest resolution, highest refresh rate like the predecessor, which is the S20s, 21s. The S21 Ultra is also smart enough to automatically dial the refresh rate all down to 10 Hz to help save on the powers. The S21 Ultra screen provides the plenty color in our laptop with the panel producing 81.4% on the demanding DCI P3 color gamut compared to the 84.8% for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Coming to the cameras, its camera by the Galaxy S21 Ultra stands out the most against the S21s and S21 Plus. There's a main 108 MP wide sensor and 12 MP ultra wide camera, which is complemented by laser autofocus sensors. Coming to the performance of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the Galaxy S21 Ultra is one of the first phones powered by the Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 888 chip, with is complemented by 12 GB or 16 GB of RAMs. And this is one of the fastest Android phone. The S21 Ultra didn't flinch as I sliced through multiple enemies in the grim while delivering console the quality visuals. Galaxy S21 Ultra, battery life, and the charging. If you're looking for a phone that can last all the day, this is it. On our web surfing, the battery life or 5G, the S21 Ultra is 5000 mAh and wearing for about 11 hours and 25 minutes. That beats the iPhone 12 Pro Max 10 hour 53 minutes and lands the Ultra on our best phone battery life list. Note that this time is with the standard 60Hz display mode turned on, that you will see less battery life with the adaptive mode engaged. In this mode, we will saw a runtime of 10 hours and 7 minutes. Coming to the S Pen, for the first time ever, Galaxy SD device supports the S Pen. The S21 Ultras make the happen with a vacuum digester. The build into the display, the S Pen is optional, lets you draw, sketch, and take notes just as you can do on the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultras. It also comes in handy for quickly signing documents. S21 Wi-Fi, 5G, and UWB. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra supports all of the latest wireless standards starting with the 5G. Galaxy S21 Ultra software and smart tags. If you're constantly losing stuff like me, you will check the Samsung's new Galaxy smart tags. You can use this tag in the combination with the smart things. Find apps to track down everything from your keys to your bags. Galaxy S21 Ultra versus the Galaxy S21 versus the Galaxy S21 Plus. We have a whole article dedicated to the Galaxy S21 versus the S21 Plus versus S21 Ultra, as there are many differences, but here the key things to know. The Galaxy S21 Ultra has the highest resolution main cameras, the most powerful zooms, and the sharpest display. In addition to the screen on the Ultra is more dynamic, as it's a scale from the 120Hz all the way down to the 10Hz, while the panels on the regular S1, S21 and S21 Plus go down to 48Hz. This helps on saving the battery life, and the S21 Ultra has the largest battery life at the 5000 mAh compared to the S21 and S21 Plus. Lastly, the S21 Ultra has the most RAM at 12 GB to 16 GB of RAMs, while the S21 and S21 Plus do with the 8 GB of RAMs, and only S21 Ultra has the 512 GB storage options. The biggest competitor for the Galaxy S21 Ultra is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And that's all in this review of the all new Galaxy S21 Ultra. See you, goodbye. See you in the next video.